Praise of and motivation to journey for knowledge. The journey of knowledge is very long, so continue to walk fast. Full of peace is this path, do not fear, continue to walk fast.
तू रब से सदा हिम्मत आली को तलब कर, ताखीर न कर, देर न कर, तेज चला चल।
Seek high ambition always from your Lord. Do not tarry, do not delay. Continue to walk fast. Our precious life is for the sake of knowledge alone. Travel on the paths of knowledge. Continue to walk fast.
है जिधर तेज चला चल, है दूर बहुत इल्मी सफर, तेज चला चल, पुरअमन है ये राह नगर, तेज चला चल, पुरअमन है ये राह नगर।
Consider this true knowledge to be divine treasure. Do not tarry in this journey. Continue to walk fast. There is no treasure without hardship in this entire world. Wherever there is the treasure trove of wisdom, continue to walk fast.
हर इल्मी मुसाफिर से नसीरा तू कहाँ गए, नसीब ने सफर तेज चला चल।
To every traveler for knowledge, Nasir continued to say, O fortunate one, O fortunate traveler, continue to walk fast.